My name is Turley. I'm a business architect manager with Accenture, with all types of technology providers, around about 800,000 people, a big team in strategy consulting, big team in technology, and really see the value in marrying the two. So bringing the strategic angle, being able to consult at the board level, really talking to the C-suite about the value that they can derive from initiatives, and bringing in technology as the enabler. So seeing change as the necessary. It's happening everywhere in our industry. We cannot avoid it. We've definitely seen in logistics huge transformations. I mean, Amazon has had a big effect in the way that consumers view logistics. They expect different service options, they expect new deliveries, they expect things to be quicker, to be leaner. And at the same time, we see an impact on costs. So we see the board wanting things to be delivered cheaper. And marrying those two together does take a particular kind of transformational view on supply chain and on the way you manage your supply chain. So I think, Accenture being able to bring both strategy and consulting and technology together really helps clients to solve those problems. Accenture isn't alone in investing significant amounts in artificial intelligence. So we're, as a company, investing $3 billion over the 3 years from 2023 in AI. That's not just an investment in technology, it's an investment in people, it's acquisitions, it's an investment in infrastructure. And we really appreciate that AI is intended and should be transformational. It gives an opportunity to reinvent. So the concept of putting AI on top of a bad process just means you have a bad process with AI. So we're really seeing AI as the opportunity to go back, to look at the process, to look at the people, to look at the interaction between those different objects, and to look at the platforms you operate on. So seeing AI as reinventive, as transformative, seeing it as the thing that gives you the opportunity to go back and really improve and enhance.